Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to mark email as spam Gmail on your iPhone. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to mark email as spam on your Gmail. We're going to start by opening up your Gmail. Once you open your Gmail, you're going to get on this main page right here. So what I do, I'm going to just tap on. Yeah, once you tap on, you're going to show like a check mark on your left right there. But like on the upper right hand corner, we're going to see like the three dot. The three dot on the upper right hand corner. Tap on that. And you're going to look down here where they say report spam and tap on that. And that's how you mark email as spam on your Gmail. If you have like any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. And I recommend you guys to check it out. As I said earlier, it's a way for you to save money. And thank you for watching.